And just since I've been here, which was about 8:30, there's changes occurring already I can see, okay? It's going to be about wave action. Now in lecture, we're not quite there yet. We're just going to be moving into the properties of water. And of course, waves are a key component. Aloha, my name is Darwin Bohnet, and I am a science faculty for Leeward Community College in Waianae. And today we have our oceanography lab that will be conducting an observational activity, which is to look at the wave action. We'll be measuring wavelength, wave height, and looking at the frequency. We're very close to the ocean, our campus, so we have lots of places we can go. And we have a storm front that's coming in, so as part of the lab, they'll be looking at our current conditions and then how the conditions will be changing over the next 2 days. We're expecting some pretty high surf and a direction of change in the waves. So the students will be paired off and they'll be making these observations and doing some calculations back in the lab.
I would go with my uncles. We'd go to Maui from Molokai, go to Maui, go to Lanai, and then charter right over. And then we anchor outside, then we take on dinghy, we dinghy in, and we just nail a coastline for OP. Aloha, my name is Wayne Kahanui, student at the Waianae Moku, Leeward Community College. We came out here to the beach today to study the waves and how often our waves break and the structure and the channel, like finding out which way is north, south, and finding out how the wavelengths and the movement of the waves in between sets and how often they occur. What I love about this class is this right here, this interaction with our nature, yeah? Because I feel there's a lot of things that we take for granted throughout our life, yeah? Because we live in this beautiful, domain. A lot of times we fall short from enjoying these beauties and understanding this element, because it is part of Hawaii and part of our people, yeah?
So the most significant thing about this class is that Professor Bohnet pointed out that every wave and everything you look at has data in it. So we're here to observe that and make sure that we really capture every essence of the beach, not just what it looks like to crash, but how long it is, how many seconds in between each wave. We're measuring what each wave contains, what is the effect of each wave, what is the effect of everything, the currents, the way it's moving in coordination to everything else on the beach. So it's a real eye-opener to look at the beach in a different way instead of coming and just looking at, okay, can I swim here, can I swim there? It's interesting to stop, look at it, and really observe. My favorite thing about this class is it teaches you to think outside of yourself, to think outside of the daily things of just going to and from, and again, to just stop and really look at what everything is made of, because it's just all data, so we're here to capture that.